वेल फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं वेक्टर्स को और आपको मैं वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर जो पढ़ाया था उसके सवाल करूंगा। ये हमने बताया था कि मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी इंटू साइन थीटा, और ये वेक्टर होता है। ये वेक्टर डायरेक्शन बताता है ए क्रॉस बी की। ए क्रॉस बी एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है और इट हैज ए मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज ए डायरेक्शन। सो आई टोल्ड इट यस्टरडे कि इसकी डायरेक्शन क्या है। ये परपेंडिकुलर टू ए एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू बी, ए और बी ये दो हैं, तो ए क्रॉस बी इसका है। हमने ये भी बताया था कि ए यदि हमारे पास वेक्टर ए क्रॉस बी है और बी क्रॉस ए है तो वो हमारा माइनस साइन है। हमने ये बताया था कि ए क्रॉस बी क्रॉस सी है, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव होता है ए क्रॉस बी प्लस ए क्रॉस सी, हमने ये बताया। और हमने बताया कि कोई वेक्टर ए है, ए इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू आई प्लस में ए वन इंटू दिस एंड बी वन इंटू जे प्लस सी वन इंटू के है, एंड बी इज अ वेक्टर इज ए टू इंटू आई प्लस बी टू इंटू जे प्लस सी टू इंटू के है। तो दोस्तों what is how to find a cross b is equal to I j के लिखेंगे और पहला लिखेंगे a1 b1 c1, पहले इस रो में ये लिखेंगे और दूसरे रो में ये लिखेंगे यदि आप a क्रॉस b। हमने ये बताया कि what is the if you got a parallelogram and one side is given by a, another is b, then what is the area of the parallelogram is equal to a cross b का magnitude। And suppose another one I said if we triangle का करना हो तो it will make it a half. Triangle area of a triangle is equal to half of a cross b. This is we said. This is whenever we find any vector perpendicular to vectors, we find a cross b. A cross b is a vector which has a direction which is perpendicular to a and perpendicular to b. That one part is here. So we have the a cross b is a vector which has one vector, its resultant is vector and its direction is perpendicular to a and b. My first question is I want to find a unit vector. Find a unit vector which is perpendicular to two given vectors. Let me say what. If I got a is a vector is equal to what, I plus 2j plus k suppose, and b is another vector is 2i minus j plus 3k. I want to find a vector which is perpendicular to a and b. So for to find the vector we should find a cross b. Okay, what is a cross b? Is I j k. Make it 1 2 1 2 minus 1 and 3 is equal to I plus this is 6 minus is 7i. Let's write beside the 7i, and this is equal to minus में j and minus में 5k. You know how to open it. Let's verify whether it is perpendicular to a or not. 7 and minus 2 and minus 5 0. Yes, if I multiply the a dot a cross b, if I do it here, it's equal to 0. What is b dot a cross b is also equal to 0. 2 into this is equal to 14, 2 into this, minus 1 is plus 1 and 3 minus 15, answer is equal to 0. That's here. The first question is saying find the unit vector perpendicular to a and b. Suppose I find a unit vector. If I have got the unit vector, so he asks us what is the unit vector perpendicular to a and perpendicular to b. Find a unit vector. Then in that case, when you find unit vector, just a cross b divided by magnitude of this one. You divide a vector. We know this is a unit vector which is perpendicular to a and b. This is a and divide by its magnitude, which is what is magnitude? 49 plus 1 plus 25 is equal to 75 under root is 7i minus j minus 5. This is the one to go. It's a cross b is one perpendicular to a and perpendicular to b. It is perpendicular to a and perpendicular to b. This is this gives you a vector which is perpendicular to A and B, and its magnitude is equal to what? 1. Now suppose you want to find out a unit vector perpendicular to A and B and whose magnitude is 5. Magnitude is 5, suppose. So I will find out that unit vector, then I multiply with the 5. 5 into, this is my question will be 5 into 7I minus j minus 5k divided by 25 into root 3. Cancel. This is my answer. So you have a type of question, find a unit vector perpendicular to two given vectors, number 1, and then it says we find a unit vector which is perpendicular to this. Then you can specify, find a vector whose magnitude is this and perpendicular to A and B. That you can ask. Then it's find what is the sine theta angle between them. What is sine theta angle between them? Sine theta is equal to A cross B magnitude divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. This is what says. This is one. How to find this? Next question is find the sine angle between. This has been asked the question in 2011 in a first NDA first. Find the angle between the two vectors. This has been asked. This question has been asked. Find the angle. So what is this? 1 is equal to 49 plus 75 under root divided by magnitude of A is 1 plus 4 plus 1 under root and under 4 plus 1 plus 9. Is equal to 75. You just find out the 14 is equal to, this is how you got 75 under root and 84. This 75 divided by 4, 2 into 21 and 3 upon, you can what. So this is the angle to find out between the sine theta, the angle between the two. This is one. First question is to find a unit vector perpendicular to given two vectors. So you find A cross B and divide by its magnitude. This question has come in NDA 2011. This question was asked. Let me see what this question said. What was asked, what were the choices. And I tell you, how can you find the question based on choices? We find the unit vector perpendicular to 4I minus my 2j, okay, and minus 3I plus my 2j. Find the unit vector. Find a perpendicular which is perpendicular to this. Find a unit vector. So this is I, j, k. Well, this is I said 4 minus 2, 0, minus 2, 0. Well, k will not be there, of course. This is equal to what? 8 plus and 6. That is 8, 2i. Then this is equal to 6 minus 8. Well, under j is equal to what? Under j we have k is equal to 0. 0 into j plus k. This is equal to what? 8 and so I don't know. Let me write again. In place of I, this into this is equal to 0. 0, there is no 0 here. In this case, I is not there. J, when I got j, this is equal to j, this. In case of I, this is equal to 0, 0, 0. In case of 0, this is equal to 0. K आएगा, it will be k is equal to what? 8 minus 6 is equal to 2k, and therefore this is perpendicular to both of them. Then what is the unit vector? Unit vector is equal to divided by its magnitude. Its magnitude is 2. Therefore answer is equal to k. The choice is k. So I just filter away how to do it. So the k is the only answer here. 2k is one perpendicular both of them, and this is unit vector. This was in 2011. You can multiply even I dot I. You could have cross multiply. This was simple to go. If I do this one, multiplying the cross product, I cross I 0, I cross j is equal to k, 8k, k cross I plus this is equal to minus my k because opposite, j cross this is equal to 8, and this is equal to what, 6, this is equal to 6, the answer is equal to 2k. You can have done like that also. So this can be done to find the angle between the two vectors, find the vector perpendicular to given two vectors, and find the vector which has given a magnitude and perpendicular to this type of question they ask in the examination. Now I got one question here. Find the vector whose magnitude is equal to 5. This is came in 2008. The magnitude of that vector is equal to 5. Magnitude is equal to 5. And perpendicular to 110, and this is 011, perpendicular to these two vectors. Friends, when perpendicular to these two vectors is A cross B, I write 110, 011, I write here 1, this is equal to I, this is equal to what, minus with J, and K is equal to plus with K. This is the answer. This is the answer here. This is a vector which is perpendicular to this and perpendicular. I want to find its magnitude is 5. So first of all, I'll find out its magnitude. Its magnitude, if I divide this by its magnitude, is under root 3. This is a vector which is the unit vector. Now I multiply by 5. So 5 upon under root 3 into I minus j plus k is a vector which has a magnitude. Its magnitude is equal to what here? Magnitude is 5 and perpendicular to both A and B. This is the one. And how many vectors can you possibly this? How can we possibly perpendicular to this? And this is how many vectors are there perpendicular to A and B, and whose magnitude is vector is equal to 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one is the one vector we have got it here. And it can be plus and can be minus, so it can be, there are two vectors perpendicular from at a point. This can be this side or can be this side. So perpendicular to the, so there are two vectors. There are two vectors, answer two vectors which are perpendicular to given two vector, and here given magnitude is equal to 5. So before I close up, I must do one more question. The question is here. Now suppose he says what is the, if here, if A cross A dot B magnitude is equal to A cross B, then angle A and B and this, and theta is the angle between them. Theta is the angle between A and B. Then what is the angle? Then angle theta is equal to what? Well, theta is equal to 0 degree, there B is 90 degrees, then C is equal to 135 degrees, D is equal to 180 degrees. This question was asked in the ND examination once. This is one to ask it. This is one to go. Well, friends, this is equal to magnitude of E, magnitude of B into cos theta. This is equal to magnitude of E, magnitude of B into sin theta. When modulus is there, this can be plus minus. This can be plus, this can be this A dot B, and this can be plus minus. This can so cancel, or this is tangent theta is equal to what, 1, and here I got answer. It can be plus minus because modulus sin both can be plus minus. So plus minus, I take plus minus. So theta is not 45 but 135. I certainly can say that 135. हमारा ये सवाल में 45 नहीं दे रखा था कि टेंजेंट थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, लेकिन 45 की बजाय 135 दे रखा कि मॉडुलस लगा रखा था, तो मॉडुलस का मतलब प्लस माइनस से भी हो सकता था. तो दिस इज अ वन क्वेश्चन एनडीए में पूछा गया है. 12 फ्रेंड, और मेरा एक सवाल ये है, ए क्रॉस बी प्लस सी प्लस बी क्रॉस सी प्लस में ए प्लस बी ए सी क्रॉस ए प्लस बी किसके वैल्यू बराबर होंगे? वेल, ए क्रॉस बी प्लस ए क्रॉस सी, बी क्रॉस सी प्लस में बी क्रॉस में ए, सी क्रॉस में ए और सी क्रॉस बी. A cross B and B cross A, they are opposite, cancel. A cross C, C cross A, opposite, cancel. B cross C, C cross A, opposite. Therefore, its answer is equal to 0. This question has been asked in NDA 2009. This is how this has been asked. He has given ABC, and he has asked find the value of this. Don't get confused. This, when you open it, its answer is equal to 0. No need to find out to find the value of A cross B cross C. So I finally come to the end of the question. Is that part? I just look at the questions, and these are the only type of question that we find, except one final, the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. We had find the area of a triangle. Vertices are given. This came in. One vertex is equal to 3 minus 1 and 2. This came in 2010, second one. 1 minus 1 minus 3. B, another point C is given equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1. He says find the area of the triangle. This triangle has been asked. What is the area? So area of a triangle, if I take like this is equal to A and this is equal to B, then area of triangle is equal to half of A cross B. That is one. What is A vector is equal to? This minus this is equal to 3I, this minus this is equal to minus 2J, this minus this is equal to 4K. And what is B vector? I taken as this minus this is equal to 2I, this minus this is equal to 0, and this minus this is equal to 5K. And let me find out what is the A cross B is equal to. What is A cross B is equal to? Well, I just have A cross B is equal to IJK, and 3 minus 2, 4, and 2, 0, and 5. So this is equal to minus 10 into I, minus 15 minus 8 is 7J, plus it is equal to 4. Well, here minus 20 plus 20, this is minus 30, 14. Okay, this is the question to go. So what is the magnitude of this is equal to? Answer, the magnitude of this is equal to what? Under root 100 plus 49 plus 16 is equal to under root 145, 165 and divided by 2. That's one answer. If I look at the answer of the book, here we go. This is the 165 by 2 is A is the answer here in this case. So we got the answer. This is how to find. In a vector product, you have got one question based on the find the vector perpendicular to two given vector. Find a vector which is unit vector perpendicular to two vectors. Find the vector whose magnitude is this. Find the vector which is perpendicular to magnitude is 10. Find the area of a parallelogram. Find the area of a triangle. This time, find the sine theta angle between the two. These are the questions. And here some simplification like A cross B plus C. This type of simple question are asked in NDA. You can do. I'll go through more about it. If I need, I can talk about the coplanar in my next lecture. I thought it's the last, but I'll take up 2-3 more questions on coplanar. I found they are asked in the examination. So I'll take up those questions. Hopefully we will complete the next video. So this is the end of today's lecture. Kindly look into the questions and do try. Thank you.